Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Outlook with Google Calendar step by step clearly. Open your Outlook application on your computer. Navigate to the Calendar section by selecting the calendar icon at the bottom of the navigation pane. Once you're in the calendar view, look for the Add Calendar option in the toolbar. Click on Add Calendar to reveal a drop-down menu. Select the From Internet option in the menu. You will need to enter a link to your Google Calendar. Open your web browser and log into your Google Calendar. In Google Calendar, locate the My Calendar section on the left side of the screen. Hover over the calendar you want to connect, click on the three vertical dots that appear. Choose Settings and Sharing from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Integrate Calendar section. Copy the link labeled Secret Address in ICL format. Return to your Outlook application. Paste the copied ICL link into the dialog box that appeared after selecting From Internet. Click OK to proceed. Outlook will now connect to your Google Calendar. Your Google Calendar events will start to sync with Outlook. This may take a few moments, so be patient as the process completes. Once complete, your Google Calendar events should appear in your Outlook calendar view. You have now successfully connected Outlook with Google Calendar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.